Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset a user's password in the Microsoft 365. This is a quick but very important task for IT admins, especially when users forget their passwords or get locked out. Let's get started. Resetting user passwords requires the appropriate administrator role within the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So here you can see, I'm now in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center dashboard. Once you're on the Admin Center dashboard, look at the left-hand menu. Click on Users, and then select Active Users. This will show a list of all user accounts in your organization. From the list, click on the user whose password you want to reset. Just hover over the user's name, and you'll see the Reset Password icon. Go ahead and click it. On the right side, a panel opens with the Reset Password settings. Here you'll see options like Automatically Create a Password and Require this user to change their password when they first sign in. I've selected both options, and now I'm clicking the Reset Password button below. After clicking Reset, a confirmation window appears with the new temporary password that you can share with the user. I'm copying the temporary password so the user can use it to sign in and create a new one. Now I'm back on the login page, and I'm pasting the temporary password and click on the Sign In button. After signing in, you'll see a Update Password pop-up appear asking you to enter and confirm a new password. Here I paste the temporary password that I copied earlier. I'm entering the new password, confirming it, and proceeding by clicking the Sign In button. Now you can see that I have successfully signed into the account. And that's it. You've seen the full process of resetting a user's password and signing in successfully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like,